Well, same-sex marriage. This is just not gonna go away. Well, here's my 2 cents. I subscribe to the traditional definition of marriage, a religious and/or civil contract between a man and a woman. But I do try to be sensitive to the civil rights of my homosexual friends. As such, I support legislation here in Utah called the Common Ground Initiative. This basically offers a compromise of civil unions. Under Common Ground, homosexual couples can enjoy the same rights and privileges of married couples through civil unions, while heterosexual couples, religious organizations, and homophobic politicians get to keep the word marriage all to themselves. However, being a realist, I think it's only a matter of time before marriage is redefined in this country as a civil right for all couples, regardless of their sexuality. But here's the clincher. I don't feel at all threatened by that. Thus, I'm not that concerned about defending marriage. In the end, it's really just a word. And while its civil definition may change, individuals and religious organizations are free to maintain the traditional definition for their own conscience and purposes. And contrary to what the evangelical fear-mongering emails that are floating around say, no religion can be forced to recognize a civil marriage between two people of the same gender. Religions are free to define marriage however they want, just as government is free to redefine it in the interest of protecting the civil rights of a minority group. But the right of a religion to keep the traditional definition of marriage is also protected through the First Amendment and separation of church and state.